Hey guys, Anson here from Ivy Sports and Homestead. So there at the beginning, you saw basically yesterday's build of getting the deck and everything put in. I didn't really do any recording. I just did a few pictures here and there. It was really cold. It's still cold today. I don't know if you can see my breath or not, but we're gonna go ahead and put this one to time lapse that we can go ahead and see what's going on, see how we're getting this together. I'm gonna run you through really quick just to show you kind of like what I did and what we're doing for today. All right, so let's follow along. All right, y'all, so actually before we get over onto the time lapse, I would like you to go check out our affiliate ISOTunes. I will have that link down in the description. Great product, great company. Every time I've reached out to them, they're super nice, super awesome. They also sent us a pair of the ISOTune link, and I'll show that right here. All right, those were sent to the little one because she's autistic, and because of that, because they're so awesome and we love their product, that 50% of everything that we earn, a minimum of 50% of everything that we earn through our affiliate program with ISOTunes, goes back to autism awareness. All right, so check them out. They're awesome. I love them. I use them every day, and I'm definitely gonna be using them right now. All right, so let's go ahead and get back to that time lapse.
What is it, babe? Are you recording me?
Yeah.
You're silly. Oh, that's hot. No. No.
So like I said, I wanted to get at least a coat of paint onto the back of it, just to be able to get that wood sealed up, keep it away from the elements. And then,
pretty paint.
Yeah.
pretty plain. What? You can never go wrong with it.
And then the parts that you see are actually we're gonna try to match our siding to the house. so here we go. We got the back wall in. It was all painted up, as you saw. Side walls in, front walls are in, headers in, and then we also put the top plate all the way across the top.
For us?
Yeah, for us. Now we got some plywood that we need to do, but before I put the plywood on, I do want to run the 2x4s on the sides for the roof that goes down from there. That way, whenever I put the plywood up on the side, I can angle it with the roof. All right, so keep following along. All right, so here we go. It's a new day. It's not currently raining, but we do have rain in the forecast. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this tarp down, and then from there, I got some drip edge. I got some fascia board that I want to get installed onto this, and then I have felt paper that I want to get down. And I think with the felt paper, I'll be fine to leave it open without having to cover it with the tarp with the rain. I just don't want to do that for too long, especially if we're going to have like wind or anything like that. But I'll make sure I nail it down fairly well. All right, let's follow along. You see the muddy mess I'm dealing with, y'all. Look at that. But that sun's coming out nice. All right, so I got the trim all on, and now I need to do a drip edge, but I need to cut so I can wrap that corner, put the front drip edge on, and after I do the front drip edge, I'll go ahead and throw up the paper, tar paper, and then after the paper's on, then you put on your sides. So drip edge in the front first, then your paper, and then your side edges, and then your shingles, which I don't have yet, but maybe next payday. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you what's going on. All right, so yeah, the walls, when we put the walls in, we didn't 100% verify that they were square. So whenever I put the sheet on, and I don't know if you had noticed, well, you probably didn't notice because I didn't film it, was the top part didn't line up either. So I actually had to put a board that was wider and then cut through both sheets after I had chalk lined it with the chalk line, and then cut it, and you can see there's a gap there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these two boards, see if I can do this while holding the camera. Put it up here like so, come up here to my edge, all right, because that whole drip edge, not gonna nail on that. And I started doing that, and then I was like, wait just a second, I'm not done, because I need this to come all the way to the edge, right? So yeah, I'm gonna tack these in temporarily, basically score the roof and then cut it. Well, I'm gonna tack these in, like I said, temporarily, and then take this off after scoring. Yeah, you'll see. All right, now I just cut down that line, take these pieces out, put those two pieces in, call it a day. After I put this drip edge on, and after I put the felt paper on. Hopefully it doesn't start raining again. I've been lucky so far. All right, and just like that, it's new again. So everything laid in there fine. As you can see, I got the drip edge on. Not perfect, but whatever. I'm not a roofer. And now it's time to start putting down tar paper.